Hi everyone, welcome to a new Natural Home with Jennifer. Today, as promised, I'm going to be doing an all-natural makeup tutorial with you using Elina Organics makeup. And their makeup is organic, it's 100% natural, contains a lot of probiotics and anti-wrinkle properties, as well as crushed pearl and zinc oxide for all-day sun protection. So they have some beautiful eyeshadows and a really gorgeous tinted moisturizer, which I've really enjoyed using, as well as some mascara, eyelash growth serum, and this great crushed pearl powder foundation, which is really wonderful. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Okay, I'm starting off with the tinted moisturizer, and this does have sun protection in it, and I love it because it has sea buckthorn and it smells really good. So I'm just applying it to my face, and I really panicked because my son got into this and he pumped out half the bottle, and I was so mad because this stuff is really good. And yeah, so I was a bit sad about that. But I'm just trying it on now. I had to tie my hair back. But it's just a very fluid formulation. I love it. I got the medium. You know, my skin is slightly tan, so I got the medium. And now I'm just putting on under eye concealer. So they don't have all categories of makeup. They don't have concealer, so I'm just using Bare Minerals here and just covering up some, dark spots and things like that. Okay, now I'm using the Crushed Pearl Powder Foundation, and it's really lovely. You know, it reminds me a lot of the Bare Minerals brand with the way that you administer it. So I'm just setting the tinted moisturizer with this, and it works really well. It's just really great sheer coverage. So this is not heavy coverage, but sheer. I like that moving into spring. Okay, I'm filling in my eyebrows. This is with my own eyebrow filler from MAC. And now I'm going to use the anti-wrinkle eyeshadow, and this is the shade Raspberry Latte. I love this shade. It's really nice. I requested all of this, by the way, from their company, so I requested the right thing here. I love this one. So I'm just applying it to my lid. It's kind of creamy, but I still use a brush, and it's just a great color. So it says these anti-aging eyeshadows are filled with fermented oils, vitamin C, crushed pearls, and natural pigments. It goes on as a cream and dries as a powder. Really nice. And now I'm just using the darker shade here. And this is the shade Espresso. I'm just using that in the crease, and of course I will blend all of this out. Just using what's left of my Chanel eyeliner. They don't do an eyeliner, so I'm not using an organic one in this video. Okay, now for the mascara. So, you know me, I love my burgundy mascara, but this mascara is really good. You'll see the difference. Look, it's black, and let me read the properties to you. It's an all-natural mascara. It strengthens and conditions. It's 100% natural and 85% organic, vegan, and gluten-free formula. So it has chamomile, vitamin E, coffee powder, and sunflower seed oil, and it's non-toxic. So this is great if you're looking for a natural alternative, and I think it works really well. I'm just adding my own blush here. I believe this is MAC. They don't do a blush yet. And now I'm going to put on the probiotic lip color, and this is like a bubblegum pink, and it's the only shade that they do right now, so it's nice for spring. It's very light on me, and when I wear this I actually tend to layer it with another color, and you'll see me do that right at the end of this video just to see what it looks like. But I'm very impressed. The makeup is really nice, very high quality makeup. It's only available from her website because this is like a spa type website, so you can't get it anywhere else. I'll leave her information below. Thank you to Elina Organics for sending me your beautiful makeup to review on Natural Home with Jennifer. I'm just sharing how I like to layer that lipstick here in this final look. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I'll see you in my next video.